I swear, the cafe is 2 miles away.
You swear?
Yeah, I swear. I've been walking for like 2 minutes already, and the cat cafe is only 2 miles away.
When did I ever go to a cat cafe? I've never been there before.
I know. It's pretty fun of me to do this stuff.
Here we are. It's been a while. 2 miles, I guess. But we're here. Let's get in. Well, this place is a bit sketchy. You're sure this is the cat cafe? Emiko? Emiko! Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Charlie? How are you? Oh, hey, how are you? Oh, you can't speak. Me neither. While you were trying to say this place was sketchy, you were right. What are you saying? You're trying to say something? You want a donut? There's no donuts here. Charlie? Speaking? Charlie! And just like that, Charlie was gone. Away from my life. I'm still here, Emiko. They just chopped my leg off. Now they're chopping my leg off. And that's how it feels to be legless.